What you said? Yo, oh wait. Are you wearing the AirPods first generation? I cannot talk to you, buddy. Oh, the Beats Pro. Oh my gosh. What's up, everyone? It is your boy and Tech here, back again with my first impression on the brand new AirPods third generation. I'm super excited to give your first thoughts about these because I think these are pretty nice headphones, especially if I guess there's an entry level when it comes to Apple headphones products in a way. But I just want to give you my first impression of these. So right now, first we're going to do it how we did the MacBook Pro video. So you're going to see unboxing of me unboxing on the first day, which you're going to play right about now. You see, get that right there. Oh, you want to play games with me? You ISO. I'm still learning to work this camera, y'all. But this is the brand new AirPods third gen right here. That's a bit look. So right now I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing. Then I'm gonna have a whole different outfit, whole different fit, different light and everything, because I'm gonna do a first impression video. But I'm gonna add to listen to them first, right? But I want to do the unboxing first, so that I could see what they look like. So I ordered these when they came out. These aren't the ones I ordered. I had some on order from UPS from launch day. I missed the UPS guy. I ended up changing my computer type anyway, so it made sense for me to just order these same day shipping when they first came out. That's what I did. So I got to send back the other ones now. So that's pretty annoying, but it is what it is, right? So these retail at $179. So it costs less than the AirPods Pro, which I have somewhere around here, but they do cost more, I think, than the second gen iPods right now. I'm not even sure, but yeah. All right, there we go. That's way better look. So these are extremely similar to the Pros, which is pretty cool in terms of the casing and everything like that. So this is them right here, as you can see. Pretty nice. Let's open it for the first time. Boom! Don't connect to anything. These are down how they look. So look pretty extremely similar to the Pros, mixing with the OGs. They seem like they're gonna have a way better fit than the OGs ones. These are also MagSafe. So 1 second, real quick. So, all right. So these are also MagSafe. So as you see, I have my MagSafe charger here, and bam, it's compatible, baby. Apple, bring MagSafe to everything, because MagSafe is the GOAT. You know what I'm saying? I love MagSafe. Now that's pretty much about the box experience for that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test these out for a little bit, set them up on my phone. I love how small they are compared to the Pros even. So okay, yeah. So these might become my gym headphones. I'm still debating if I want to make them my gym headphones, but if they do become my gym headphones, I'll definitely get a lot of use out of them. I've been going to the gym a little more often. So super excited to use those. You're gonna see a more in-depth first impressions video after this. Alright, so now that you've seen the unboxing video, now we're going to talk a little bit more about these headphones right here. We're going to talk about my first impression of it, which is going to be just focusing on sound quality, sound isolation, and fit. In the full review, I give you a way more in-depth, feel how I feel about the sound and everything like that. But you know me, I love music, I love sound, I love headphones, so I want to actually compare these to different headphones to make sure I'm making an accurate, assess of these headphones. So first thing first, let's talk about sound quality, since that's the first thing I'm going to notice when I play music on them. It sounds way better than the first gen AirPods, and I never had a second gen before, but the first gen, it sounded way better than those. It's not as good as the AirPods Pro, I'm going to put that out there, but it sounded pretty good enough. Sound isolation, it's pretty decent. There's no active noise cancellation here, which I think affects the sound quality a little bit, because you do get that leakage. But that's because you don't have the AirTag part. But when it comes to sound isolation, it's decent enough. You're gonna hear sounds coming wherever wherever. If you bump your sound volume up, you're not gonna hear much, but you might deafen yourself. So I don't recommend that. But it sounds pretty decent. When it comes to the noise isolation and the sound quality itself, it's clear. It's nice. It's crisp. It's pretty good to get on just a regular pair of AirPods. The biggest thing that we're going to talk about, though, let's talk about the design real quick before we get into the fit, actually. So this is the new casing right here. Let me give you a little close-up on that. This is the new casing. It's way smaller. You know, it's smaller than it looks like the AirPod Pro, but it's smaller in design. Definitely smaller than the original ones. Let me take one of the case for you right here. So this is it right here. You know. So it's pretty cool. You know, it looks like someone said it looks like a hair dryer. I definitely see the resemblance of a hair dryer. It's a little bit blurry for some reason. Alright, yeah, so someone said it looks like a hair dryer. I could definitely see the resemblance of that. But, you know, Apple always like to mix up based off of its household products. You know, you got your classic stove right here. The AirPods Pro case looks like a bra. Some people say, or like a purse. So Apple always makes something off of something, right? It's just in the design. I think they do it by mistake, but they end up doing it anyway. But the design is pretty nice. It is smaller, which I think is beneficial. You know, you got the short stem now, which, you know, looks better in your ear. You don't have something. You still have something sticking out, but at least it's not like freaking large. That was before, so that's pretty nice. And yeah, you know, nice fit. You can't complain. I mean, sorry, no, not nice fit. Nice design. You can't complain about the design. But let's talk about the fit, which is the most important part of my first impressions, because at the end of the day, if it sounds good, cool. If the fit's bad, I'm not gonna use them. That's it. You know, I don't want to risk them falling on my ear. It's just that simple. The fit is gonna be different for everyone. I want to put that out there. What fits for me is not gonna fit for you. That's just how it is. Everyone has different ear shapes, you know, and that's just the end of the game. Alright, so let me talk about the fit real quick. I gotta say I'm not a big fan of the fit. At least at first. You know, when I first put them in, I was like, wow, this fit's pretty nice, you know, it fits good. But then every like 2 seconds I'm like this. And I have OCD, so it could just be that is just affecting me. And I really do have, they're not a trend thing. This is like legit medically diagnosed when we put that out there. So it's kind of annoying because like every few seconds I'm like fidgeting with it, like putting it in my ear, you know, just like it's annoying, you know, because like I don't want to keep doing that when it's the music. I want to just listen to music and just enjoy what I'm listening to. I don't want to be spending time, you know, doing all that. That's why at first I was like, these are gonna be my gym headphones. I will not take this to the gym. Even already with my Beats Pro, while I use it at the gym now, I'm still fidgeting with it, and it's annoying. And these will be even worse because there's no like, it doesn't feel secure at all for me. And like, I'll shake my head a little bit, and it's probably freaking go flying out. I'm jogging or something. So the fit is just not my personal best fit. But you know, it's not terrible either. You know what? I mean, it's not terrible, I guess. I guess now for some reason when I'm recording a video, one of them works better than one of them actually. But this ear, my right ear fits pretty good. It's my left ear that has like a little bit issue that I'm always like twisting it to make sure it's in properly. But you know, hopefully after I use it for a little bit more in the review, I will hopefully have a better solution to that, maybe to fit better. For me personally, I sometimes I just do not like the feeling of like cold plastic sitting in your ear, because that's what it basically is. You don't have the gummy tips to like sit in your ear and create a seal to fit nicely. It's just cold plastic and sitting in your ear canal, whatever it is, you know. For me, it's a little bit weird. So I personally don't like that feeling, but some others, you know, to each their own, right? So yeah, so that's pretty much my quick first impression of these. You know, they're pretty nice. I love it. One big thing is that, hold on one second. I think I already mentioned this in the unboxing portion, but I want to mention it again. MagSafe, yo. Do not do what I just did. Okay, that was bad there. But they are MagSafe. They are MagSafe compatible though, which is, you know, pretty nice. Don't do what I did. So that's pretty much it for this video. So thanks for watching my first impression of these headphones. I think they're pretty good sound quality wise, but we want to keep using them more. I will use them at the gym one day only. And if they fall in my ear, I'm not taking them back. Simple as that. And then I was like, that's it. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for supporting the channel. I think we at like 87 subscribers right now, so I really do appreciate it. Almost to 100. I've been feeling really, really good about my quality of videos lately. So thank you all for supporting me and continuing watching. It means a lot. I'm gonna fix the light issue somehow. I know sometimes it's overexposed. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm a camera newbie. It's gonna get there one day, I promise you. But thanks for watching. I will see you all soon. Peace out.